Hi guys, today I wanted to try something new with my old school voice recorder and a camera. I want to start creating a couple of shorter videos to show you very quick tips. So I'm already talking too much. The quick tip for today is I've been reading a book by Marcus Aurelius, who doesn't know him, the Roman emperor. And he was talking about how it's kind of difficult to have a war in Germany and at the same time in Africa. And he said, focus on one problem at a time. So this is what we're going to do today. I have a project right here, which is very messy, and it's already 5 years in the making, and sometimes this just happens. So my quick tip for today is when you have a project like this and it's incredibly daunting to finish and you get panicked, you don't know where to start, you want to do everything at once, I would, well, at first, if you have been working on it for a while, give it a rest for a couple of days. Then after a couple of days or even weeks, if you have other projects to work on, create a notes for it. So listen to it one time through. That's what I did with this track. I have here the songs of my album, working titles that I want to finish. And then I listen through and I just make notes for specific timestamps. That is the first step. I do this in a separate system. You can also do this within Logic itself. I tend to use this for different purposes. You have your notes here. You can have notes per track, by the way, as well. If you click on different tracks, you can make notes just for that track in Logic. I think you can do the same in Ableton, actually. But then you're going to choose one area, and that's what you're going to focus on. So I renamed this project hi-hats, and this is exactly what I'm going to focus on today. So my hi-hats are usually either red or orange, depending on the sound. We can give this a quick listen. So we have this stuff right here. Some glitchy stuff here. So yeah, that's what I'm going to focus on today, and I would advise you to work the same way. In a song, let's try to not do everything at once. Let's try to focus on one thing at a time. You can take it a little bit broader. You could say, for example, I'm going to have a drum day today, only focusing on the drums or percussion. For me today, it's going to be all about hi-hats. So thank you for watching that. I hope it helps, and yeah, I will try to do more of these videos.